In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tickets in HubSpot. This process is straightforward, yet essential for managing customer service and support efficiently within the platform. So, let's dive right in and walk you through each step. To begin, open HubSpot in your preferred web browser. Once there, make sure that you log into your account. This step is crucial because you need to access your unique environment to manage and create tickets. Once you're logged in, your journey begins with navigating to the trial guide. Now, you might wonder why it's essential to do this first. Well, the trial guide is a fantastic resource hub that contains all the materials and references you need to get off to a great start with forming and managing your support tickets. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresh, it's an extremely helpful tool. After you've taken a moment to explore the trial guide, head over to your HubSpot homepage. From there, you'll notice a menu or navigation bar where you should click on the CRM option. The CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is the heart of HubSpot and is where you'll find everything you need to manage your interactions with customers. Once you're in the CRM section, you'll want to find and select Tickets. Tickets are essentially a way to track customer demands or issues, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. When you click on Tickets, you're entering the territory where you can create and manage these vital customer interactions. Now for the main event, click on Create Ticket. This is where you'll start to build your ticket, a crucial task in organizing and handling customer inquiries. As you open the ticket creation form, take the time to edit and enter essential details. These details could include things like the ticket subject, description, and any other relevant information to categorize the issue correctly and assign it to the right team member. Being thorough with this step sets the foundation for efficient ticket management. Once you have entered all the necessary information, simply click Create to finalize the process. However, don't rush off just yet. There's one more valuable step you should consider. Take advantage of the Notes section within the ticket. This area is a great place for jotting down additional instructions or any important points that might be handy for whoever will eventually handle the ticket. Think of it as your personal assistant, helping ensure that nothing is missed. And there you have it, creating tickets in HubSpot in a few easy steps. This process not only helps you keep track of customer inquiries, but also enhances your ability to deliver timely and organized customer support. Remember, each ticket is a thread in the complex tapestry of customer relations, so taking the time to manage them well is always beneficial in the long run. Thanks for watching, and happy ticket creation.